Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. I'm going to try some new things today. Got mixed reviews so far on my thoughts on this, guys, but we'll see how it goes. Number one, the thing I'm worried about is I'm trying a new pour medium out today. This is Pouring Masters Gloss Pouring Medium. It's by US Art Supply. That's who made these paints that I'm really liking. So I thought I'd give their medium a try. Having a real problem getting it to mix up right. So we will see how that works. I'm really thrilled though that in the mail today came my beautiful new split cup. This is from Mixed Media Girl. Give her a shout out. Haven't had one of these, haven't used one. So I'm really excited to give it a try. And we're going to do a ring pour, straight pour type of thing on our canvas. Today we're going to work on a 10 by 10 Artist Loft Gallery Wrap canvas. So that should be nice. It's all fixed up, push pins and tape on the bottom. All right, so we're going to put that to the side a minute. We're going to get out our split cut and we're going to give this a try. Let's go through our paint colors. We have Grumbacher Academy in Prussian blue, Liquitex Basics in turquoise blue, US Art Supply in blaze red gold iridescent, Royal Langnickel in aqua, Arteza in pearl pistachio green, Artist Loft neon pink, and our final paint is Amsterdam titanium white. Okay, I cleaned up my area a little bit, make it a little easier. So now we're going to fill our split cup. So I have to decide what paint I'm going to put in what section. To get used to how you fill this. All right, let me move these cups out of the way. And there's our cup. Not sure how well this is going to work, guys, but we shall see. It's probably way more paint than I need. All right, here we go, guys. Just gonna go try and get right in that center there. Well, I think this paint is way too thin. I was thinking it was too thick, and I think I'm discovering it's actually too thin, which is bad. This is going to be a major fail. Alright, oh, there's A, way more paint than we need on there. And B, that paint really is way too thin. So I don't think this is going to work. I think this is going to be a scraper. But let's torch it, see what happens. Never know. I was thinking it was way too thick because it wasn't reacting properly. It's pouring like it's too thin. Either that or it's just the paint's mixed way too much because of the way I put them in the cup. I'm loving this look in the center here though. So maybe I'll get lucky when I stretch this. It's pouring off the side here, so let me just tilt it that way a bit. All right, let's try tilting this and see what we get. I don't have high hopes, guys. Yeah, this is way too thin. Alright, so what I thought was too thick is actually way too thin now. And it's just not holding. It's just a mess. Yeah, total fail there, guys. So, sort of pretty in ways. I'm thinking I should try and mix up some more paints. A little thicker. Okay guys, we're back. I decided that this is really too thin, too muddy, not happy. Don't settle. Never ever settle. So I remixed all the colors, and I do mean all, same colors, but with my normal pour medium, with a little of the Royal Langnickel, the Lost Medium added, and put it back in the split cup, which I'd rinsed out. And it did not mix as much in the split cup. It stayed separated. It's much thicker. I'm happier. And there's a lot of goobers and stuff in this. So this is going to be our base. Now we're going to pour again. So here we go. Never settle. Redo. Try number 2. Oh yeah, see the difference? Right off the bat. Right off the bat, you see the difference here. In the way it's pouring, in the beautiful lines. I'm going to torch that. There's a lot of air bubbles because I literally just remixed all those paints. So much happier with this. Oh yeah. Look at the beautiful lines. And dump that old stuff right off. Ooh, too much torching right there. Almost above us. All right. Now I'm happy. I think we're going to wreck this one. Why not? So I'm going to get my little wrecking tool. And we're going to have some fun. All right, now let's get some tilting done. I'm so much happier just right off the bat. This is more what I was expecting to start with. And I push all that yucky paint right off and make a nice base coat for us. Nice and slow here. Don't want to go too fast. And get this sort of started. Never settle, people. Do that corner. Pull back towards the center. Oh, see, we're getting rid of that yucky stuff. Replacing it with something much better. So much happier. I'm really loving it. It's like a tiger stripe on the one end. Be careful of this because of that foot. It keeps falling off. All right. All right, I like that so much better. Fix this little spot over here where that lump sort of stopped everybody from going down the side. See if I can fix that a little. All right, let me clean up my hands and torch this and clean up my edges, and I'll bring you down for a closer look. Hold on. Okay, I brought you down to look. There might be a little light glare, but I'm so happy I didn't settle, that I did it again, because this is just so much prettier. More of the colors are showing. I've got so many beautiful lines. Still have that bright neon pink coming out. The aqua and the pistachio green. The Prussian blue is showing up in places. Oh, it's just such a more colorful, fun piece. Pulled a lot of gunk out of it from that original paint. It was just so full of gunk. So, much happier. We're gonna let this dry and I'll take some pictures. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. And here are the dried results. Beautiful bands of color. Got a few little cells that popped up. So happy with this first attempt at the new split cup. And there we have it.